Hi Ben, yeah, this is Rakesh. What is the purpose of Monash University putting this stall in the Food Pro?
Let me break it down for you. So we are representing the Monash Smart Manufacturing Hub, which is a new initiative at Monash, and it is really the front door to industry, accessing student capabilities, our professional services, internship programs, doctorate programs, and all of our fantastic facilities and capabilities at the university. So that's what the Smart Manufacturing Hub's all about. I work for Monash Food Innovation, which is part of the Smart Manufacturing Hub, and we are fast-moving consumer goods specialists. So we work on new product developments using a very well-used, very well-renowned industry methodology for innovation. And it's all about touch pointing in with consumers that we wish to become loyal, consumer testing, iterating, coming out with new innovative product ideas. And what we're demonstrating today on the sensory experience booth is our virtual supermarket and also our eye tracker over there on the tripod. So we utilise these for, as I said, our consumer research studies. So for the supermarket, we actually use this to test shelf layouts and segmentation inside supermarkets to make sure that we're doing all we can for our clients to be, recognisable in the sea of confusion that is mainstream retailing. So we play around with segmentation, aisle flow, all that sort of stuff, and try and work out how we can be better and give consumers a better shopping experience.
So how the students they can participate in this thing?
So we run something called an industry innovation program, where students work on a business challenge that's handed down by the company that's participating in the program. And over the duration of the project, the student team, multidisciplinary student team, will work with the business to solve that challenge using kind of Monash capabilities, facilities, and our expertise infused in as well.
So is this Monash University students that can contact you for these kind of innovations, or from any of the unis they can come and contact you and they can give their feedback? And
so it's external companies that come in with challenges they'd like to solve. For new products, new services, new systems, all sorts of different things, and we pair them with a multidisciplinary student team to work on outputs.
No worries. Thank you very much, Ben.
Thank you.